Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on that. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for Nifty index futures, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 10,760. We expected the index to stay in uptrend or in buying. So right after the opening, the price came down a bit again. It continuously went for buying, went near 10,825 and closed near 815. Well, we tried to put that in the option chain. We thought we can go for buying 10,950 call option, but we expected the price to open near 10,000, near 60s. But we don't know why the price premium went or opened lower. So that's the risk involved in posting video presentations while before the market opening. So right after the opening, the price slowly steadily it went up till 484.64 and closed near that. So anyhow, we trade along with the trend. So what we can do today? Today the price is expected to open somewhere near where it closed on Friday. So it's going to be like a continuation of what happened on Friday, but we feel that the market will go for selling today. So what we can do, we can go for option chain and buy some put options, and for that we can select 10,600 strike. So the premium closed near 62, so probably it can open near 60s or 62s. Buy near that and place stop loss near 38, and we expect that there will be some drop in Nifty index. Probably this is this may look odd. We expect that till 10,860 price can move up. Within this area you can expect some selling. So to be on the safer side, what you can do, if the price opens somewhere near 10,820, wait whether the price is coming down below 820, or wait for if the price is continuously moving, wait till the price reaches 10,850 and then go for selling, so that you can minimize your stop loss. So this is our idea, 10,860. At times you need to adjust the strikes and premiums. So our view is from 850 till 860. We will find some resistance that will push the price down towards 10,720 again. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.